Hi, I was driving my car and suddenly a car came out of nowhere, and unfortunately, I crashed into that car. Being obviously furious, I got out of my car and came here to make a video on trending page. So let's start. I was on YouTube's trending page and I saw these videos and I thought I would share them with you since they are, these great videos. Let's start with a video from Mahi Queen. Her YouTube channel is a YouTube channel that is mostly based on love stories. She has quite the variety. Sad love stories, very sad love stories, yeah, love stories that make you cry. Yeah. So let's get into this video that was on trending page.
मुझे ना कुछ सुनना है ना कुछ समझना है। मुझे नहीं पता है यार, हमारी दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी है। मैं इसमें प्यार लाकर इसे खराब नहीं करना चाहता हूँ।
Okay, so the starting of the video is them breaking up. Yeah, that's quite the start. And you also might have observed that the quality of the audio was very good. Since it was recorded at two studios. Yeah, not one, but two studios. Damn. He broke up with, I guess, Mahi, who is, I don't know, they didn't introduce. And I'm not an avid watcher of their videos, so I don't know who is Mahi here. But I think that girl was Mahi, and they break up because, well, I guess he likes this girl now. Anyway, those three are walking. Yeah, they are walking, and the new girl here, starts feeling dizzy. And guess what? She comes crashing down. I mean, she passes out. Just like that. She's like, and then gone. I don't know what acting is that, but that's top tier. Okay, and the boy, of course, is like freaking out, panicking, because she literally might be dead right now. I don't know. And the next scene, after she just passed out of nowhere, then the next scene is the boy who is feeding her chips. Why would you feed a girl who has just passed away? Whoa. The girl who just passed out of nowhere, just became unconscious. Yeah, she is back up, and now the boy is feeding her chips. Whose call was that? Did the doctor tell you to put her on a steady diet of chips? Why would you feed a girl who is that weak chips? Anyway, even if you believe that this was something romantic or something good that was going on, that he is feeding her chips, the writing and the acting is still bad. Because the girl, the Mahi or Queen over here, she's like jealous. She's like jealous of the girl who literally died 5 seconds ago. Just let her have a good time with him. What the hell, man? After an ad, they are playing Seesaw. Is she like 5 years old? Why would you? Why is she enjoying playing Seesaw? Why would any adult enjoy? Like, look at him. She's enjoying, and she then looks at him and he's not enjoying. Yeah, duh. He won't. Who would? Then she coughs one time. So, help. How severe condition is this? Like, she coughs one time and she just gets that now I have to get help. Now I might just be close to dying by one cough. Oh my god. And then again the Mahi Queen over here. I think she is Mahi Queen. They didn't tell who is Mahi Queen. I'm not an avid watcher. But I guess Mahi Queen over here, she gets jealous. That girl is dying over there. Why would you, for God's sake, why would you be jealous? She might just die in front of you. Okay, now what is this coincidence that all three met over there and no one knew that they were going to be at the same place? And what is he sorry about? What? Like feeding her chips? That is what he's sorry about? Caring for a friend who is going to die? Girlfriend or friend? Anyway, like she might just die. She dies every 10 seconds. You have to take care of her.
क्या मांगा था तुमसे? मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम मुझसे ज्यादा उससे प्यार करते हो, क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारी पास्ट हूँ। तुमको पता है ना मेरे पास कितना कम वक्त है? क्या तुम एक हफ्ता सिर्फ मेरे बन के नहीं हो सकते? सिर्फ एक हफ्ता आर्यन। You know ना आर्यन, I love you.
The ending is even more absurd and I don't want to punch down anymore. Anyway, if you want, you can go watch it after this video. There is this video on trending page that says Rajasthani auntie ka special Ganesh paratha. You may ask what is, special Ganesh paratha. I think it has modak stuffed in it. The second video we are going to watch is by Nagma, and she is moving into her new house. So yeah, let's look at her house tour, I guess.
Boy Badshah, इसे boy Badshah.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
badshah में याद कर दिया इधर.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yes, my also.
और आज
The story till now is that she has bought a house and she is going to visit that house, and since it's, I guess, renovated or something new about it, so yeah, she wants to go and watch and take us with her. So let's go.
first ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं रात में जाऊंगी, मुझे मेरी पार्किंग स्पॉट दिखने वाली है कि हम कहाँ पार्क करने वाले हैं. So I am excited जितना.
Why is she so excited about the parking?
Finally I got the keys. वैसे तो एक ही की लगती है, but keys इसमें हमारे पास वो पार्किंग की भी की है. घूमर घूमर घूमर. गाना खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं गाना खत्म हो गया, पार्किंग लॉट आ ही नहीं रहा है. कहाँ है पार्किंग लॉट? तो ये एरिया यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है, तो यहाँ पे मैं शू रैक्स रखने वाली हूँ. ये जो इनबिल्ट कुछ है,
That's the shoe rack, and she still wants to get a new shoe rack, and so she pretends like she doesn't know what that inbuilt thing is. She's like, whatever this is, yeah, I mean, there's a door, there's something right next to the door. What can it be? Maybe it's the kitchen.
और यहाँ पे लिविंग फीचर्स पड़े हैं, देखो कैसे. पता है ये वो सांप आप होते हैं ऐसे.
Go easy, go easy. Okay, you're good there. Okay, there's a puff adder. These are one of the most dangerous snakes in all of Africa.
Because मेरा पिछला बेडरूम ग्रे एंड वाइट एंड गोल्ड ऐसा वाला डेकोर था और मार्बलिश वाला फील था. सो वो मैं हॉल में डालने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है. इट्स अ क्लासिक एंड इट लुक्स रियली वेरी एलिगेंट एंड मिनिमल. तो
Minimal. Yeah, painting it with gold would make it look minimal. I mean, take a look around. Seriously, take a look around. What do you think is minimal? The big hall? Huh? The big hall is minimal? Or is the, spiral up to the parking, that long road to just get to your parking? That's minimal? Or is the whole parking lobby? Yeah, there's a lobby for parking.
ये लॉबी भी नहीं है, ये वो है पार्किंग लॉट की लॉबी है.
Is that minimal?
तो अब पढ़ते हैं जो मेन रीजन है जिसकी वजह से मैंने एक घर के लिए 90% हाँ बोला था. Though this flat is smaller than the previous one, I really loved the view.
After some brags, she tells us why she bought the house, and the reason is for the view. Yeah, the gallery view is very good. Please tell me that you are going to live in the gallery.
हर चीज़ में just the fact कि थोड़ा सा छोटा है, carpet area इसका छोटा है, but I'm okay to adjust.
Oh, okay, yeah, you would have to adjust. This is such a small house with 3 big bedrooms, one master bedroom which even has a wooden floor. in such a posh building. Yeah, you have to adjust in the 3 bathrooms that are given to you. I mean, how are 4 people going to live in such a small house?
But I'm okay to adjust here, and it might not be a very big house, but
Oh, it might not be a big house. Yeah, it's not a big house. It's a small house, you know? It's like a matchbox. Yeah, you're going to live in a matchbox. Yeah. Anyway, that's all the brag that I can hear, and that's all the brags that I can digest today. So let's end the video over here. And if you like the video, please like the video. If you would like to continue watching me, please subscribe. And if you like, you can even share this video and click the bell icon. There are multiple things you can do on the YouTube. So yeah. Oh, my favorite YouTuber also uploaded a video. He even reached 9 million. That's crazy. I think he promised a giveaway. Yeah, I sure hope he does the giveaway soon. I would really like Achhe Din and 15 lakhs.